Alright, anyways. Yo, what is up, guys? Back with another video. In today's video, we are going to be playing Firework. I just want to try something. I know this is on the top 10 demon list. I just want to try something. So what I like. Okay, wait. Oh my god. This jump is absolutely gay. Yeah. I'm gonna be dying on this every time, but anyways. We're gonna try to beat Tidal Wave. What? Wow. When you... What? You can do that? That's crazy. Oh my god. Like this first part, now that I realize it's kind of easy. But this wave, my man. Like that ball is crazy hard. Look at this. There's many ways. No. I'm gonna die. Hold on. We gotta play Tidal Wave real quick. By the way, if you haven't seen yesterday, I did pretty good in Tidal Wave. I fully completed it. Really happy about that. This is definitely gonna help me out. Tidal Wave's the #1 demon. Wait, no practice though? This is first attempt. Oh my god. Aw, man, that was nice. I thought I was gonna breeze through that. Oops. I did it. Alright, yeah, this first part is not that hard. If I don't keep dying by that. Oh my god. I'm telling you that mini wave is hard. Legendary. Yo. What? At that point, I just started spamming on that robot part. Because, look at this. I didn't even know you could do this. If you just time it right. Watch. You've done. Wait, hold on. Let me show you. Literally, look at this. I didn't know you could do that. I just realized that. Alright. This is kind of easy now that I think about it. Where did I even die to? This is so gay, bro. Huh? What? Do you not see that route? Wait. Ugh. Oh my god. Oh my god, there's so many dark and normal weird colors. Is this the one? If I beat this, guys, I'm him. This is top 19 Extreme Demon. I mean, I beat Tidal Wave, so I already am him too. Yeah, I'm gonna check if this is top 19. After. Bo. How am I not? Alright, I did, by the way, I did the beat him backwards trick, so this is literally like a crazy attempt. Am I? Nah, bro, I'm not beating this. I'm not. Oh my god. Oh, this ship. I'm not even joking, this ship. Oh my god. Alright, chat, GG's. This might have been the easiest level I've ever played. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and have a great day. No way! Oh, no way! No. Wait. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh. How do you even... Is that like the worst fail? Dude, how did I even die though? Every end? Fireworks 20th? What's number 2? Wait, I wanna watch this. Watch this together. Alright, no copyright.
What type of fighter are you? Support.
I'm not trying to get copyrighted.
Melee.
Okay, starts off easy. Perfect time frame jumps. Oh.
Those who know. Oh my god.
Okay. I don't see this being second. Is it just all robot gameplay? Because if it is, this is gonna be easy for me.
I say it. You're good, those who know.
I think, is this actually all robot gameplay, bro? Joking.
Wait.
That's absolutely garbage. I bet you I could beat that in one attempt. I'm not even joking. I could probably beat that in like one attempt. Like, that's not even that hard. At that point, bro, like, that's not even hard. Like, I've never seen a one gameplay that's landscaped like that. Like, only robot gameplay is crazy. Because I'm good at robot. I'm not gonna lie, I'm good at robot gameplay, bro. It's like robot gameplay is my vibe. I mean, everything talks, you know, money talks. But like Geometry Dash talks at the same time. But you never know. Like, I don't see that being hard for an extreme demon. It's just robot gameplay is not like a vibe that probably no one would vibe to. I don't even know how it's second. Like, Tidal Wave has a bunch of these things like Firework, but like only robot gameplay is like kind of garbage. You would have to get so good at the robot gameplay for you to beat that. Like, that's kind of weird. Cause I'm like good at the robot, but I could probably beat that in one day if that's what it looks like. That's what the layout looks like. Then probably, yeah, I could probably beat it in like one day. It doesn't look hard to me. Like, I'm not trying to brag, but it actually, I'm being serious. Do you think you could actually beat that? The second top extreme demon, only perfect timing robot gameplay. I mean, I could beat it, like, with nothing, because robot gameplay is kind of easy to play, but, like, yeah. Ugh. Alright, peace out, chat. I just finished Firework anyway, so bye.